Okay, so in this chapter we will talk about the linear regression. To run this program, we need to import sklearn dot data sets. From sklearn library we need to import data set. What we are going to import, this make regression, because we are going to import the regression file and sklearn file and so on. Then we are going to import numpy as np. Okay, then we are going to import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt in order to plot all the xy two-dimension graph, x and y plot and so on. If this code is throwing error on your screen, then you need to install this sklearn in your IDE, then it will learn successfully here. Then what we will do, we will just create two variables x, y, and then coefficient of these, and then make regression with n samples is equal to 100, comma n features. These are the features, means the attributes itself. Feature is equal to 1, then noise is equal to 20, then random, how many random states are there, that is going to define random state is equal to 2017. Then next, what is the bias factor here? It might be 0.0 or something else. Then we are having coefficient, whether it is true or false. Okay, then run this code. Okay, it's successfully run and assigned the values on the respective variables. Then we will initiate the shape of the, means we will find out the shape of the variable, like what is the x shape, comma what is the shape of y itself, we are going to print here. It's a 100, 100, and so on. So it's having the single column y, and x is having two column, means 200 rows and one column, and so on. So what is the coefficient here? We are going to print, it's having array 80.83 and so on. Okay, then now what we are going to do, we are going to create a plot with plot function plt, then x comma y comma with o parameter of graph itself. It will show the graph with o distinct variables on xy plane. Okay, so we can add some grid value as well here. What is the x grid here? np dot lin space -2 point, ranging from -2.5 to 2.5 with 1000 variable. Okay, then we are having y grid. What's the y grid here? It's np dot what's the x grid here? Its x grid is x grid reshape. We are going to reshape the value with range of -1, 1. Okay, then we again import the sklearn from sklearn dot linear underscore model import linear regression method. We are going to import the linear regression method from sklearn library. So then what we are going to assign this new variable, LR is equal to linear regression method, then LR dot fit. We are going to train the variable x comma y, both parameters. We are going to fit the model with the existing data. Then y p grid is equal to LR dot predict. It will predict the value of x grid. Now predict it on the grid. Then LR dot coefficient variable comma LR dot intercept underscore get the slope and intercept. We are going to slope and intercept value. Okay, then it is going to define array and so on. Then plt dot plot x grid comma y p grid, plt dot plot x comma y comma dot, and then run this code. It will assign the respective line which most of the coordinates means most of the data is passing through this line. Okay, so this is the linear regression. We can change into the two-dimensional array or multi-dimensional array or logistic regression as well. So this is the part of linear regression as well. Okay, so this is the line which lies most of the data here on the xy plane. Thank you.